This demo shows a simple application that was developed for the prototype scripting engine for Integra. We start by looking at an iPhone using the Safari browser. We have browsed to a website that implements a simple app store. A list of applications available to install for this subscriber is displayed. However, rather than installing these applications on the iPhone device, instead we will enable them for use by this particular subscriber through the Integra instance. Let's get started by enabling the Find in Page application. Click Install to enable this function in Integra. We are all used to using desktop browsers and know that most desktop browser functionality can be extended through various plugins and extensions. These allow you to customize or extend the browser's behavior in some useful way. However, the Safari browser functionality on the iPhone is rather constrained and it cannot be extended in any useful way. Until now. With the Find in Page application, you can now add simple functionality to the Safari browser. Let's browse to a website, in this case, the home page of the Wall Street Journal. You will notice as it is loading that it is heavy with content and is difficult to read in this form factor. Once the page is loaded, an additional element, a toolbar, is now available at the bottom of the page. As you scroll the page, a toolbar stays at the bottom of the page. If you zoom on the page, this toolbar stays properly sized at the bottom of the page. The Find in Page app inserts some JavaScript into the HTML content returned by the Wall Street Journal web server. When this modified page renders in Safari, a toolbar is added to the page. If you click on the toolbar, there is a search option available. Let's type in a search for oil. There is a big oil slick off the coast of Louisiana in the news today. The word oil is now highlighted on the page, and you can click through and see different instances of the search term oil. We have extended the functionality of the browser through the scripting application. In this case, the Find in Page functionality added was an ease-of-use application. However, as you can imagine, once you have the capability to inject JavaScript into the HTML content, you could use this for many purposes. For example, you could overlay ads in the toolbar, offer an upsell to the subscriber's service plan based on their profile or usage patterns, or provide other features that improve the overall user experience. This is a flexible approach to adding functionality. Note that this functionality was added to the Safari browser without requiring any support or approval from Apple or the content provider, in this case the Wall Street Journal. The change was made at the point of service mediation.